sweet. It's a LOMAX Stance Hard cover. Installing your LOMAX stance is putting your rails together. You kind of just slide in here. And it comes bolt provided. We'll put that back in there. Next step, after you got your rails bolted on and secure, we'll go ahead and lift this in here and throw it into place. Before I tighten the front pieces, I think we'll roll it out and see what it looks like, if we can. Gotta make sure everything's in the right place. We'll go ahead and knock the front down with these little clips here. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to install these little straps they send to secure the box. We will be removing these little plastic pieces, 7/16 socket. We'll go ahead and repeat that on the other side. It's going to be, we're going to attach the straps here. They want you to be 1 inch to 1.5 inches away from the closest point to the cover as possible. So we're going to go 1 inch. Make sure our sticky things are in place. We'll put a little tape right by them so we know where they're at. Okay, once you have these in the marked locations where they will be, we'll go ahead and take this off. Go ahead and clean this area that we need to put them on. Same on the other side. Once you pull your pads off, they send a tube of 3M Primer 94 will crush it on the black dot like they say. Go ahead and wipe the area with it. Remove the film. We'll stick this back on where we centered it. Be careful, they are magnetic, so they are going to want to grab. Do the same process on the other side. After these are secure, stuck on the cab, basically we'll fold the tarp cover or the cover back down and let these set for 48 hours so they cure. So yeah, we're about done here.
Same brand, new attitude. Same ultra low profile design and 4-season protection. New vertical position and full bed use, no need to remove. Introducing LOMAX STANCE Hard cover. Switch up positions, go vertical today.